Welcome back to the How to Draw an Anime Character mini-series, and this is going to be a very quick video. This video is all going to be about sweaters. There's not really much to it other than just the patterns of the sweater, really, and by now you should know we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to do the exact same thing. Trace and recreate. Okay, let's break down these sweaters. Bam! Jumpers traced. Done, 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 done. I'm not gonna go too much further than this, really. Like, basically all the texturing, all the patterns are done when you're coloring, okay? So we're just gonna transfer these lovely movements over here. We're just gonna do some coloring, do some clean and line art. The only thing, I guess, that you could do with a jumper is like make some guidelines as to where the pattern is gonna go. So think of the jumper as like a 3D shape. For example, in this reference, you can see how the pattern is coming, like it's going down there. It's going like a flowing down. Kind of the same with this arm, this sleeve. You've got the pattern that's coming down and then it's coming out, right? So the only thing I can say is just do some lines so that you know where the pattern is going, and it kind of gives a 3D feel to the jumper. Like you see here, it's kind of going out, and then the pattern goes up. It creates like as if it's 3D. So yeah, let's transfer that to here. Ta-da! Basically, we're finished. That's the jumper, that's the sweater. There's not really much to it other than, like, I don't know, you do a color, you pick a brighter color, and you do the pattern. That's how you, like, do a very basic sweater. And then you do some shadows. Also, you might have noticed with my shadows, I did it in a multiplier layer. That tends to, I don't know, it tends, when I use these multiplier layers for my shadows, it tends to, like, make it look a little bit more spicy. I don't know how to describe it. Makes it look kind of nice, and you never have it like full 100% because that's way too dark. You just bring it down a little bit, and it's like a nice subtle little shadow. Yeah. Like I said before, this is gonna be a shorter tutorial, just a little bit cut short for time, so this video needs to be cut down. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next couple of episodes. I think the next one is also gonna be a very short one. It's just gonna be on like pants and leggings and stuff, which is a very simple basic tutorial. But yeah, I'll see you all then.